Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on Lesson 9.4 of Unit 9, Technical Indicators. In this lesson, we're going to cover the MACD indicator, its components, and how to use it for trend confirmation and momentum measurement. By the end of this video, you will understand how to apply the MACD indicator to your trading strategy and identify potential buy and sell signals. Let's get into it. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a popular technical indicator used to show the relationship between two exponential moving averages. Think of it like a speedometer for your trading, helping you gauge the momentum of a trend. The MACD has three main components: the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram. The MACD line is calculated by subtracting the 26-period exponential moving average from the 12-period exponential moving average. This line shows the relationship between these two moving averages. The signal line is a 9-period exponential moving average of the MACD line. The histogram represents the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. Think of the MACD line and signal line like two cars on a road, with the MACD line being the speed of the car and the signal line being the average speed of the car over a certain period. The histogram is a crucial part of the MACD indicator, as it shows the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. When a histogram is positive, it means the MACD line is above the signal line, indicating bullish momentum. Conversely, when the histogram is negative, it means the MACD line is below the signal line, indicating bearish momentum. Think of the histogram like a fuel gauge, showing you how much momentum is behind a trend. A bullish signal is generated when the MACD line crosses above the signal line. This is like a green light, indicating that the trend is gaining momentum and it may be a good time to buy. For example, if you're looking at the Euro to US dollar chart and the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it could be a sign that the euro is strengthening against the dollar. On the other hand, a bearish signal is generated when the MACD line crosses below the signal line. This is like a red light, indicating that the trend is losing momentum and it may be a good time to sell. For instance, if you're looking at the Euro to US dollar chart and the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it could be a sign that the euro is weakening against the dollar. Another important aspect of the MACD indicator is the zero line cross. When the MACD line crosses above the zero line, it indicates that the momentum is turning bullish. Conversely, when the MACD line crosses below the zero line, it indicates that the momentum is turning bearish. This can be a powerful tool for identifying trends and potential buy and sell signals. MACD divergence occurs when the price and the MACD are moving in opposite directions. For example, if the price is making higher highs, but the MACD is making lower highs, it's a sign of bearish divergence. On the other hand, if the price is making lower lows, but the MACD is making higher lows, it's a sign of bullish divergence. This can be a powerful tool for identifying potential reversals in the market. The MACD indicator is best used for trend confirmation and momentum measurement. It's not a great indicator for use in sideways markets, as it can generate a lot of false signals. However, when used in conjunction with other indicators and analysis, it can be a powerful tool for identifying trends and potential buy and sell signals. Now, let's put the MACD indicator into practice. I want you to add the MACD indicator to the Euro to US dollar H4 chart and identify 5 crossover signals in the past. This will help you get a feel for how the indicator works and how to use it in your trading. Remember to look for bullish and bearish signals, as well as zero line crosses and MACD divergence. That is everything for Lesson 9.4, MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.